Long time no baby food recipe. So today I'm going to be showing you how to prep beans for your various baby food recipes. Let's do this. So I soaked my beans, I'm using black-eyed beans, okay, in a bit of water overnight. So this will help soften the beans up and make it easier to cook. So by the following day, the peels of the beans should be easily removable. So as you can see, I'm just going to use my palms to wrap the beans and then have the peels come off like you're seeing in the video. So do this until all the peels come off the beans, and then I'll go ahead and strain the water or pour the water out and then wash it till you realize that all the peels are off. Of course, when your babies get older, you can cook the beans just the way it is, but taking off the peels helps to reduce the gas in the beans. So as you can see, it's ready now for the fire. I'll go ahead and add a bit of water to the beans and then allow it to cook. So very simple process. Once it's done, puree or blend and then use it in your various baby puree recipes. This is optional, but while cooking the beans, you can add some onions and then when it's done, you puree with it. I have a gobe or red or beans and plantain baby puree recipe you can check out. The link is in the description box. I hope this video has been helpful. It was actually requested for by one of my subscribers. So yeah, subscribe. That's if you haven't done that already. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share when you're done watching. And always remember to keep blooming.